The time of glory. Our story is also one of rebirth. Freedom, growth, expansion and progress could have been the motto of these bankers who helped rebuild the continent. Freedom. In a few years, Europe went from misery to euphoria. Switzerland became a gateway to this modern, open and reconciled continent. Lombard Odier played a major role in the reconstruction, building bridges between Europe and America with the new superpower. Growth. The dollars pouring in from the Marshall Plan provided the stimulus for Germany's economic miracle and France's 30 glorious years of prosperity. Investors rediscovered Europe. Lombard Odier developed its first fully fledged financial analysis service and pioneered the creation and distribution of mutual funds in Europe. Expansion. Two new types of clients soon emerged: institutional investors, mostly American, and oil fortunes. Lombard Odier's first overseas office was opened in 1951 in Montreal, soon followed by others in London, Beirut, New York and Amsterdam. Progress. Technological innovation and a flourishing economy fueled the construction of new factories, motorways, trains and cities. But the most revolutionary development was Lombard Odier's experimentation back in 1957 with the first punch card computers. Our bank was getting ready for the next revolution.